In this video, we'll walk you through the typical installation steps for the AluFix EVO guardrail system on a flat roof. The AluFix EVO system is suitable for installation on roofs with an inclination of up to 10 degrees. The AluFix EVO system has solutions for all flat roof types with parapets of different heights or without parapets altogether, which will be highlighted in this video. Before starting the installation on a flat roof, make sure all components are included and in perfect condition. The personnel performing the installation must protect themselves at all times during the setup, while wearing a safety harness being attached to an anchor point or lifeline. For installations on flat roofs with a parapet or a similar rigid structure at least 50 millimeters high, place the support legs against the parapet at 5.6 meter intervals. For your convenience, you may place two rail elements flat on the roof between the support legs to find the correct spacing, but be aware of the trip risk. Next, add two counterweights to the base of each support leg. Remember all the required counterweights. Insert the lower rail of the railing element into the support leg, then push the upper part into the latch. Ensure the latch is properly locked. Connect the center section to the outer sections using straight clamps and tighten all clamps securely. The system is now fully assembled and ready for use. For the installation without a parapet or a parapet lower than 150 millimeters, guardrails with telescope bar for toe board must be used. If the existing parapet is lower than 150 millimeters but higher than 50 millimeters, the support leg layout should remain the same, but the toe board must be added. For installations on roofs without parapet or parapets under 50 millimeters, see the later section for additional instructions. After the railing is installed, insert the toe board between the parapet and the support leg. Loosen the spring locks and extend the telescopic bars fully into the toe board slots. Ensure the telescopic bars are fully extended and that the spring locks are locked in the lower position. If the roof has no parapet, the system should be installed at least 30 centimeters from the roof's edge. In installations without parapet or a parapet lower than 50 millimeters, each railing element is installed with a support leg in the middle at an interval of 2.8 meters, with two counterweights on each leg. At the end of the installation, add an additional support leg with three counterweights at each end. For your convenience, you may place a rail element flat on the roof between the support legs to find the correct spacing, but be aware of the trip risk. Now let's look at a few special installation cases. To install the guardrail at a roof corner, use a hinge connector as shown. Make sure to place the support legs as close together as possible around the corner area. If the toe board version is used, place the toe board corner panel as shown. Continue installing the support legs as usual. The same hinge connector can also function as a telescopic connector when folded completely. Attach the guardrail section as shown to adjust the system length.